The stock market is the greatest wealth building machine ever created, yet most people are terrified of it. They think it's gambling or that you need a suit and tie to participate. The truth is, the stock market is just a way for you to own a piece of the world's most profitable companies. Today, I'm giving you a simple, safe guide to starting your investment journey in the USA. The power of ownership. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner. When millions of people buy iPhones, Apple's value goes up and your wealth goes up too. Instead of just being a consumer, you need to become an owner. The US stock market has historically returned about 10% per year over the long term. No other savings account can compete with that. Index funds, the secret weapon. You don't need to spend hours researching individual stocks like Tesla or Nvidia. That is risky. Instead, buy an index fund like the S&P 500, ticker VOO or SPY. This fund buys the 500 biggest companies in America for you. If one company fails, the other 499 carry you forward. It is the safest and most effective way for an average person to build a $1 million portfolio. The magic of dollar cost averaging. Don't try to time the market. Nobody knows when the market will go up or down. Instead, use dollar cost averaging. This means you invest a fixed amount, say $200 every single month, regardless of whether the market is up or down. When prices are low, you buy more shares. When prices are high, your portfolio value increases. It's a win-win strategy that removes all the stress. Retirement accounts and 401k and IRA. In the US, the government gives you huge tax breaks for investing. If your employer offers a 401k match, that is 100% free money. If you don't take it, you are literally throwing away part of your salary. Also, look into a Roth IRA, where your money grows completely tax-free. These are the tools that the wealthy use to keep more of their money. Start with what you have. You don't need $10,000 to start. Many apps like Robinhood or Fidelity let you buy fractional shares for as little as $5. The most important thing is to just get started. Tomorrow, for day 25, I'll show you how to create 3 different streams of income so you never have to worry about a layoff again.